Jamieson Lee Greer was born in 1979 or 1980 in Paradise, California, to Mike Greer. Growing up in a small town, he graduated from Paradise High School in 1998. Following high school, Greer, a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, served as a Mormon missionary in Brussels, Belgium, for 2 years, an experience that shaped his global perspective and gave him fluency in French. After his mission, he pursued higher education at Brigham Young University, BYU, earning a bachelor's degree in international relations. His academic journey continued abroad, where he obtained a joint master's in global business law from Paris 1 Panthéon-Sorbonne University and Sciences Po in Paris. He later earned a Juris Doctor, JD, from the University of Virginia School of Law, solidifying his legal foundation. Greer's professional career began with a brief stint as a law clerk at the European Court of Justice between September and December 2007. From 2008 to 2012, he served as an officer in the United States Air Force Judge Advocate General's Corps. During his military service, he was stationed in Kansas and Turkey and deployed to Iraq, where he served as Chief of Military Justice. He was honorably discharged in 2012. After leaving the Air Force, Greer transitioned to private legal practice, focusing on international trade law. He worked at prestigious firms like Skadden, Arps, Slate, Meagher Flom, where he represented clients such as U.S. Steel in a trade dispute against China. He later joined King Spalding as a partner in their international trade practice, advising major corporations in industries like manufacturing, energy, pharmaceuticals, and aerospace on trade remedies, policy, export controls, and national security issues. During this time, he also spoke at Federalist Society events and served on the advisory board of the Vandenberg Coalition until January 2025. From 2017 to 2020, Greer served as Chief of Staff to U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer during the first Trump administration. In this role, he played a pivotal part in high-stakes trade negotiations, including the U.S.-China Phase 1 trade agreement and the renegotiation of the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, into the U.S.-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA. He was also involved in trade talks with South Korea, Chorus, and Japan, helping secure congressional approval for these deals. His work focused on implementing tariffs and addressing trade imbalances, particularly with China. In November 2024, President-elect Donald Trump nominated Greer as the U.S. Trade Representative for his second administration. The Senate Committee on Finance approved his nomination on February 12, 2025, with a 15-12 vote, and the full Senate confirmed him on February 26, 2025, by a 56-43 vote. Greer was ceremonially sworn in by Vice President J.D. Vance on April 7, 2025, becoming the 20th U.S. Trade Representative and the first Mormon cabinet-level official since Mike Leavitt in 2009. In April 2025, he was also appointed Acting Director of the Office of Government Ethics and Acting Special Counsel of the Office of Special Counsel, taking on additional responsibilities. As U.S. Trade Representative, Greer has been a vocal advocate for America First trade policies, supporting aggressive tariffs to reduce trade deficits and revive U.S. manufacturing. He has defended these tariffs as necessary, despite economic disruptions, and was notably caught off guard when Trump announced a 90-day tariff pause in April 2025 during Greer's testimony before the House Ways and Means Committee. Greer has pushed for stricter economic policies toward China, including export controls and sanctions, while advocating for trade deals with countries like the United Kingdom, Kenya, the Philippines, and India to counterbalance China's influence. His Senate testimony in April 2025 drew scrutiny from senators like Catherine Cortez Masto, who questioned the feasibility of his trade negotiation timelines, and Tom Tillis, who pressed for accountability on tariff outcomes. Greer's personal life remains relatively private. He is married to Marlo Greer, and they have 5 children, residing in the Washington, D.C. area. His estimated net worth ranges from $1.5 million to $3 million, primarily from his legal career. Greer has no publicly verified social media presence, and little is known about his personal interests beyond his professional and family commitments. His career reflects a blend of military service, legal expertise, and a deep commitment to shaping U.S. trade policy, particularly in addressing trade deficits and promoting American economic interests globally.